That's what's coming in, nearly 1 kilowatt. That's the percentage of the battery. That's what the house is using. Watts. So that's what you can see on the Grow Watt. Live from Spain. This is the 3rd week, I'd say, of the isolated solar system on this Spanish house. I've just bought this 2.5 kilowatt UE lithium battery from the big hardware superstore here called Leroy Merlin. It was 569 euros. Also good to have a tester, have a couple of them. But you can, if you want, connect another battery, and positive. And they balance themselves apparently. You have to connect the phone line plug. Yeah, going well. Got everything working. Haven't had any bad weather really though. It definitely helped getting the second bank of panels paralleled in. The installer said it can't. I'm not going to put any more volts through it, so I'm only going to connect half of your panels. But I found out because the volts are too high, if you connect in parallel, it keeps the voltage at the lowest volts, which was 330. But it also makes your amps rise. Yeah, amps is power. You can only see it when you're drawing it. The thing about solar, it's like a language. You're always learning something about it. Like those parallel wires. Lovely weather here in May in Spain.